Hey, it's Andre and it's time for another review. This one's sent to me by RC Moment, the Nano Talon. I'm super excited. It's taken me forever to get out here to go flying because the winter's been so terrible. Let's get on to it. I like this design a lot. I mean, you've got stabilization modes from off, beginner, and advanced. You've got such a wonderful little form factor. You know, it's a good tossing aircraft, fits in your hand really well, and all that design, look, no servos in the wings. That is all internal into the body. Easy access, easy to remove. Great if you have a spill with it because you can just replace a part without having to rewire it all, which is fantastic. And even those little elevator controls, that's magnetically clipped in. So it's fantastic for storage and transport and everything. My next task after I fly this thing and get used to it is I'll be doing FPV, and I have to decide. You can see I cut some holes there. I thought about doing a pan and tilt, but it comes with a little hole right there in the front. That's where you put your camera, your FPV camera. So I might just go with pure slick, you know, non-disruptive aerodynamics and just enjoy it for what it is. Enough of me talking, let's get flying. Lots of punch. So right now, no stabilization on. We go into basic. And then we go into advanced, which lets you throw it even further over. So I'll start off in basic. I'm going to go to my higher rate so I have absolute control. Throttle off. Really good throw. And we're out of here. I gotta get in close. My last video, everybody complained I wasn't flying close enough. And it's a little white airplane, but I don't want color, and she's gold. Look at that thing go! It's actually pretty darn quiet and stable. I'll flick off into manual mode. Actually, in manual mode, it is actually really stable on its own.
3.
So I can see this thing being really exciting with FPV. I'm running a 3S 2200, and I'm sure you'll get at least 5 to 6 minutes, if not more, depending on how you're flying. I'm flying kind of low and fast just to make the video interesting. Of course, it's all white, courtesy of winter in Canada. Alright, let's try this. Stabilize the wing here and engage advance. So in advance, I should. Woo! Look at that, eh? Advance should allow me to do all my maneuvers but keep me nice and level. I kind of just liked flying it without any of the inputs, to be honest. And there we go, back to Andre in control because we love the hot dog wings and toys. Oh, I can't wait to go FPVing with this thing. Again, the Nano Talon. What a wonderful little thing. I'm going to put all the links into RC Moment. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I think we've got a nice little park winner here. Of course, I've been flying around like a bandit with this thing. And into basic mode again. Just kind of filling around, seeing what it does, what the various flight control modes do.
One.
Alright, time to slow it down, bring it in for a landing, swap batteries, do one more quick run. That's quite the landing. Good toss this time. Ready? Oh yeah! It's got some aerobatics to it. What I like is you have elevator, rudder, ailerons. You actually you've got a lot of authority with the rudder, so you can do your coordinated turns. There, someone was saying I don't fly close enough. It's a fun little aircraft. Definitely going to put a little bit of color to it, mind you. It's not always snowing in Canada, or is it? I like this Nano Talon. I can't wait to go FPV flying with this thing. For a little 200 milliwatt. I'm running an FR Sky 6 channel, because you do need 5 channels for all your control surfaces plus your modes. So it's and the little flight controller does a pretty good job.
3.
It slows down quite nice. You want to keep your speed up just a bit though, I'm noticing. About half throttle and it seems to cruise pretty good. Yeah, it gets a little torque roll from the that prop setup, but it's still pretty darn good. It's an FPV ship. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna bring it in because my fingers are numb. What a nice little airplane. I'm looking forward to going FPV flying with this thing. And we'll see how she cruises in. It comes in with a little bit of steam. Thank you, RC Moment. Big shout out for being so patient with me as I got through the Nano Talon. As you can see, winter is slowly grinding to a halt, and eventually we'll be into the supreme, really nice flying weather, which I'm looking forward to. I mean, look at my fingers, they're red. All right, this thing is awesome. I flew it today on some 3S2200s. I got a feeling the 1300s will be that much better, something with a high punch, and this thing is going to be an awesome FPV ship. Again, I have to decide if I'm going to do a pan and tilt at the top like I initially thought I was going to do, or a camera right in there. So we'll see. I can't wait to get this thing down low in the weeds and doing some FPV, maybe splash some color on it so it's easier to see out here. But again, Nano Talon from RC Moment. Check out the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.